Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. After a recent software update, many iPhone users noticed something strange on their home screen. App icons suddenly appeared with a thin white border or outline around them. This change wasn't announced clearly, and for many people, it made the interface look unfinished or distracting. If you're seeing this issue, don't worry, nothing is wrong with your phone. It's simply a visual setting that was either enabled automatically or altered during the update. The white border usually appears because of changes in display accessibility or home screen customization settings. Apple often tweaks visual behavior with updates, and sometimes these adjustments activate features that were previously turned off. The good news is that this can be fixed in just a few steps. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Accessibility. Accessibility features are powerful, but they can also affect how icons look. Tap on Display and Text Size, then check options like button shapes, increase contrast, or reduce transparency. If button shapes is turned on, toggle it off. This feature can cause icons and interface elements to appear outlined, which is often mistaken for a border issue. Next, go back to Settings and tap Display and Brightness. Here, make sure your display mode is set correctly. If you're using dark mode, try switching to light mode or vice versa just to refresh the visual layout. Also, disable bold text if it's enabled, as bold UI elements can exaggerate icon edges and create the illusion of borders. Another important place to check is home screen app library settings. Long press on an empty area of your home screen until the icons begin to jiggle. Tap Customize and ensure you're using the default icon style. If large icons or tinted themes are enabled, switching back to the standard layout often removes the white outline instantly. If the border still remains, a simple restart can help. Restarting your iPhone refreshes the system interface and applies visual changes correctly after an update. In rare cases, resetting all settings, not data, can also fix the issue, but this should only be done if nothing else works. In most cases, the white border around icons is not a bug, but a side effect of new visual or accessibility features. Once the correct settings are adjusted, your home screen should return to its clean, familiar look. Apple updates may change the design, but with a few tweaks, you stay in control of how your iPhone looks and feels.